What's up guys, Ceramic Pro of Asheville, Aaron here. Welcome back to the channel. Most of the time we're doing a what's in the shop. It's no different, but today I wanted to point out this 2001 Dodge Viper RT10. This thing was in pretty rough shape when we got it. We've already done a decontamination wash, an iron remover. You can see the leftover remnants of just some of this crud that was in here. We're going to be pulling the seats out, doing a vacuum extraction, cleaning the carpets. It does get some water inside, so there's probably a little bit of mold. There's a little bit of PPF right under this top roof here. This thing wasn't really made to be driven around in, you know, the extreme weather conditions. So we're just going to get back through here. You can see there's still some from where the spoiler was sitting on the rear quarter there. All this gunk up in here. We're just gonna hit the steam cleaner, get it all nice and cleaned up. Come around here, we're just getting the wheels off. Evan over here is taking the wheels off. We're gonna steam clean all this stuff, get some chemicals in here, get the calipers all nice and clean, freshened up a bit. Come up here to the headlights. We're doing a headlight restoration as well. This is what it looked like before. We've already done this one over here. It came out crystal clear. Looks pretty good. You're gonna get the inside of the engine bay as well. Just really clean it up for the customer. And if you want to see what it's like when it's finished, just come back and check our channel. Thanks for watching.